Brandon Green here at North Coast Mitsubishi, bringing this 2023 Ram Promaster 3500 high roof. Only 4,000 miles on it. Super clean condition, like new, both inside and out. Just a couple dents on the driver's side that we plan on taking care of during the reconditioning process. Tons of room in this thing to store all your goodies. It's still under full factory warranty and basically barely broken in. Clean, one owner Carfax, no accidents. Go ahead and just see these dents you can see on the side, which our dent guys should be able to take out, no problem. Tires are like brand new. The whole thing's like brand new. But let's check out the inside. Check out the inside of this Cargo Promaster 3500. Got your climate control, Bluetooth audio, cruise control, all in the steering wheel. It is a push button start. We have both keys. It looks like it has remote start as well. Tons of space in this thing. You have the armrest, which is a nice feature. Tons of cargo room for anything you need. If you have any questions on this Promaster, my phone number is 330-510-9613. As always, thanks for the opportunity to earn your business and trust here at North Coast Mitsubishi.